Hi, your local biz YouTube channel not taking off? Rank your videos on YouTube and Google with this. This is the TubeWorks and I'm Raj. We are going to look at how to boost your existing or future YouTube channel and make it a successful venture for your local business. First, we'll look into the benefits of why having a YouTube helps with your digital marketing. Basically, YouTube is the second biggest search engine after Google. Uh, so obviously, there's a lot of traffic going there with the number one and number two the channels, search engine channels. So with this method, you automatically tap into the huge traffic both with Google and YouTube. You get found on the top sections, the top ranks of the first pages of Google and YouTube with this method. You will learn how to do evergreen content on YouTube. That will help you grow beyond your local space, not just within your local space, but into the neighborhood also. Because YouTube is universal, right? Everyone can see you on YouTube from anywhere in the world. Uh, this method will help you build your email list, which obviously, as we have discussed before, will help you with lead generation, will help you with getting new clients, will help you with building an audience with whom you can have a constant interaction, so that even customer retention is built into this particular method. So, so how do you start and grow this YouTube channel that you plan to use for your local business? Uh, Basically, obviously, you have to prepare a strategy. Uh, Now, most YouTube gurus and the conventional thinking is that you need a lot of subscribers, you need to get a high ranking for your YouTube videos, uh, your the number of views for each of your videos should be sky high, which should be thousands of people viewing it, which is when you then get your YouTube right up there. But with this training, you'll be surprised to know that none of this is essential for you to be successful with your YouTube channel. The only strategy that you need is the one which is within this ATS Academy training. Uh, you'll start with branding your channel. Again, a lot of gurus will make it look overly complicated and tough, but with this ATS method, you can do the branding just after you've gone through one particular section in the one module, which is step by step and over the shoulder training, and telling you exactly only the important things that you need to do and remember when you're doing your setting up your channel. Uh, then the part about creating content. Uh, this again goes against the grain as well. With this training, you don't need special equipment, you don't need special lighting, a great camera. What you already have is enough for you to start your digital marketing efforts with this particular method. Yeah, once you are ready to invest more, it's always better to have a great camera and lighting. But it's not the most essential part. The essential part is going to be the content that you create using the uh, again unconventional keyword research strategy in this, using the persona segment, the training about how to define your customers. So you laser target your customers so that people who join your list are exactly the people you want on your list, not just someone who's just looking for information, but people who want to be engaged with you and who want to learn from you or learn about your product and services. So this particular method has all of this. It has the persona identification process, the keyword strategy. Then this keyword strategy will give you the initial ideas for the 10 to 20 videos, and then it's just a matter of rinse and repeat and adding your own personal touch and adding to your video library. This course is about doing as you go and learning as you go. You are the expert in your local business and you will know what content to produce. The course will help you find out what your audience is looking for, and you'll be able to do exactly what they are looking for. It will be great if you can come in front of the camera to do your videos, especially if you're building a personal brand around your local business. But it is not essential, because you can, the course will tell you about resources where you can use images, where you can use Google Slides or even PowerPoint, and have text and video. And there are certain software, uh, free as well as very low cost software, which helps you do videos without having to face the camera. So all this is taken care in this particular training. Uh, then again, a very specific part of the training is what you do with the real estate below the YouTube video, the description part, the comments section, and how to link all your videos. Uh, with an ATS Academy, after you become an ATS Academy student, within days or within weeks, you'll become a pro at this. Uh, all these strategies are pure gold, and little bits of information all come together as one solid method of ranking your videos very, very quickly, both on Google and YouTube. And the longevity is great. It will be there for years. So it's like having Facebook ads or Google ads without having to pay for it, because they will be there for years to come. Uh, so in conclusion, what I would say is, with the ATS training method, you will know exactly how to brand your channel, how to name it, how to do the artwork for the look and feel using free software, uh, using free tools, using free resources. And you can do all of this yourself by spending just an hour a day initially. You will learn how to use the unique keyword strategy. You will learn how to define your customer in a very simple manner. Just answer a few questions and you have your uh, ideal customer. You learn how to rank your videos within hours. I've, you may find this unbelievable, but I have done this myself. You rank your videos within hours in YouTube and Google, and for multiple keywords. And when you have several videos, multiple listings, from your channel. So you learn to do all this. You learn to build your channel bit by bit into a lead generation and branding machine, and get all the benefits that we discussed at the beginning of this video. So I'm sure you're keen to learn at least about what this training about is, and all that. So I urge you to uh, um, check the link below somewhere, and check out this particular training and try it, because you have absolutely everything to gain and nothing to lose at all. Uh, so subscribe to this channel, because I'll be doing more videos about this. Do hit the like button if you like what you've seen, and tell me how soon you plan to start your own YouTube channel by posting your thoughts in the comment section below. Uh, so stay tuned for the more videos here, more videos about this method. Bye for now, and see you in the next one. Thank you.